Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can trade on CoinGecko. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And this will help you buy, sell, or swap cryptocurrencies effectively. So first, what you will have to do is go to CoinGecko.com or the app, and you will search for the coin that you would want to trade. And by the way, you will have to go to the search bar, and then you will click whatever coin that you actually want to trade, and then you will go ahead and click markets, and then you will select a trusted exchange from this list, and then you will log into the exchange, and you will go to trading section, and you will choose buy or sell, and then you will enter the amount and review fees. Then after that, you will confirm the trade and monitor your order in open orders or history. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.